Good morning, guys. In the previous class we were seeing how to construct this wing assembly, but due to some problem we were not able to do that. So in this video I will show you how to construct that, and importing the coordinates from the Excel sheet to the CATIA we have already seen. That I will not repeat. Okay, so after that, whatever is supposed to do, that we will see today. So just go to CATIA as usual. Go to start, mechanical design, come to wireframe and surface design, give the part 1 as wing skin. Okay, so now hide all these 3 planes. Right button, just hide them. Then again go to insert new axis system, give OK. So now just you leave this screen as it is, don't do anything. Okay, don't do anything, just leave that. Just a second. So don't do anything here, just leave this as it is, just minimize this. Go to the Excel sheet which were taken and scaled up value. We can see here, this already I told you, and here we are supposed to run the macros. So how to run the macros? Before that we are supposed to enable the macros. If you are not macros. If you come here, view, some macros is here, you can see this. Okay, before running this we need to enable. If it is disabled, then it will not work. So in order to run this, we need to enable it. So for that, what we can do, go to file here, go to file, and then come here below more, go to options. Like this, one window will open, and here go to I think truss center. Go to here, truss center is there, one thing. Click on this truss center, come here, truss center settings is here, click this truss center settings, and you just find out here, is there any macros is available here? Okay, no, yes, it is there. See here, macro settings is there. Click this macro settings. Here so many options will be there. Here, disable all macros without notification, disable all macros with notification, disable. You are not supposed to click them, you are supposed to enable. You can click this, enable all macros. Okay, and check mark this. If it is not having the right mark, you are supposed to make it on. Trust access to VBA project object model. Okay, it should be on. Click that, then give OK. Then you can close this. So after doing everything, now the macros option is enabled. Now we can run. For that, click here, go to macros, new macros, select the file main, then run. Then for points and splines, we want to have that. That means we need to press 2, give OK. Then it's done. You can open your CATIA. This Vera file will be seen. So now what we can do, connect these 2 points. These are not connected. For that, what we need to do is go to insert wireframe. From this wireframe, you can see that here connect curve is there. Select the point, curve, point, and then curve. Then it's connected in this way. Okay, now it's connected. Okay, just a second. Yeah, Now it's connected. So now what we can do is, we want to extrude this wing, right? We want to extrude this wing. So for that, select the profile, okay, go to extrude. Let us see if it is possible to select everything. You select everything, go to extrude. No, it's not taking, only first spline it will take. Okay, for that we need to select the direction, minimize this or zoom out, select X direction in the reverse side. I want in that direction. So what is the dimension? Let me open the file. Where is that my this file here. So what is the length of the total wing is here? That is, you can see here, this is 3575 mm. So for that we need to give here dimension 3575 mm, give OK. It is done. So similarly we have to extrude this line also, so that extrude here 3575. okay, need to select the direction, so zoom out, select this direction. See, it is coming in this side, right? Just give reverse, it will go in that side. 3575 mm is there. Okay. So now you can see this. This is created. Okay, whole wing is created. So now we'll save this file. Already it is there, but we'll just give save as in a particular place where we want. Wing assembly is here. Here I will save. It is already there. When that day we have done the same thing is available. Just I will override this. Give as it is written. So now again go to start, mechanical design, go to wireframe and surface design, part 2. Part 2 we will create rib. Okay, rib. So give OK. Same procedure. Hide this. Go to insert axis system. Okay, and again go to Excel sheet, run the macros once again. This is for wing rib. Okay, main, select the main file, this one, W run, press 2. Okay, macros is run, done. That is, you can see here I got this one. So now connect the two ends, insert wireframe, from there connect curve, select this point, curve, point, again curve, give OK. Now it's done. So now what I will do, I will select the profile, hold control button, and select this profile. Come here, one option is there that is called as fill. Okay, click on this fill, give OK. Now the rib is created. We need to have slots inside, that circular slots and spar slots. These things, this thing and this thing we need to have inside. Okay, so how to do that? You can see here each circle is having the diameter of 60 mm and first circle is located at a distance of 150 from the leading edge, and the distance between each circle is 300 mm. So the same thing we will generate here. Select the surface, go to sketch, So now just zoom it a little bit. I will create one circle and I will give the dimension. The circle diameter is 60. You can see this diameter 60, and it is located 150 mm from the leading edge. This is 250. Let us confirm that 150. You can see this. Let me zoom. You can see this 150 is there. So this is 150, and it must be coincide with this horizontal line. We'll cross verify that whether it is there or not. Yes, 0 is there, means it is there. Change it to 150. Okay. So now come here, create 2 more circles in the same line. Now I will give the dimension. This also 60 mm, and this also should be 60 mm. We'll change it to 60. Change this to 60. Okay. This and this must be aligned in same line. So now this 60 is there. It should be 300, and from here to here it must be again 300. Okay. So this is done. I will delete this, or I will just remove this other side. Go to dimension. I will take, because I need to create here one more spline. So sorry, ice bar here. So that is the reason it will be destructing. So I have removed that, or moved that side. We'll remove this. Okay. So now I want to create a spar here. Circle I have created, spar I need to create. So very simple thing is that come here and see this section, how it's there. So this spar is located at a distance of what you say, like exactly at the middle from this circle and this circle. Okay. And this one already we have written that day, it is there 103.8 distance from here. Okay. We'll see that. Okay. First we'll create this spar. So you can see this dimension of spar is 166.86 and 112.02 is there. I think this is not 112.02. This will be around what you say, like 103.8. Okay, this one, this will be changed to 103.8 as per the dimension. Here they have given little wrong. This one will be changed. Okay, rest of the things will remain same. The first one will create here. Okay, you can see the dimension. This is 3, this is 3, and this length is 25. Okay, from this to this is 166.86. and what is this distance between these two vertical lines? What is that distance? The distance will be I think it is 3 only. We'll see where it is given. It's 3 only actually. Yes, here it is there. See, this is 3. Okay, and from leading edge, this is exactly, this side is located exactly at 300 mm. Okay, this is not exactly at 300 mm. This center is from here, it is 300 mm. Okay, from here, 8th point, that I will show you now. Okay, here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Here it will come, at this point it will come. From here to your this is what you say, like the leading edge point. The distance between these two is 300. That will check how much it is there. you can see this. So 300 mm is there. Exactly the spar middle section will be here, okay, at this part. Please remember that. Okay, so point number is 300. 8. Point number is from here, it is 8th one. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, 8th one, just remember that. So now initially I will create a rough, before that I will put an axis from this point to this point. I'll just create one axis, go to spline, create a rough surface of spar, rough texture of spar, like this. Later on we can change the dimensions. Be careful in creating this. I'll just zoom it and I'll try to create. It will be easy for me. Create this bar and remove unwanted line like this if it's there. Now to constraint, create first symmetry to each other with respect to this axis. So again similarly for these two things also, allow symmetry line to this, and now this also create symmetry line to this. Now again symmetry between these two things so that it should not change. Okay, before that what we will do, no need to create that, we will try to give the dimension. Let us see. This is 180 is there, you don't want that, and it should be 25. It should be 25 and it should be 25. Okay, this and this must be 23. Just a second, we'll do it once again. Or else you can create one more axis, horizontal axis, so that again these two things will not move. So make this symmetric to each other, and this and this must be symmetric to each other. Similarly this also create symmetry so that it does not move. No symmetry into this horizontal axis. What's happening here? Constraint this and this. I think it is already there. Allow symmetry. Okay, it is here. Click this axis. So now give the dimensions. This and this, the distance between these two is 3. 16, make it as 3. Okay, and now this should not move from this particular triangle, particular point. Okay, so select this, go inside them each other. Okay, and fix this. It should not move. I think it's done. So now we'll change the dimension. It must be 25. It must be 3. So automatically below also it is done. So this must be 25, and we can see that it will be 3. See, it is there, 3 is there. Automatically it will come if you create symmetry. Change it to 25. change that. I think here 3, it must be 25. Done. So distance between this and this, we need to fix that 166.86. Okay, 166.86 as per the dimension. So now we have created this spar, and I want this should be coincide with this particular point. Coincidence. Okay, coincidence. So now what we can do, remove these axes which you have created before, delete them, select them and delete them. This axis, delete it. Okay, the profile is ready. So now I want to remove this unwanted thing. So for that, what I can do, go to here, this is called as project 3D elements, click this, select this curvature, okay, then come to option, remove this, okay. So similarly below also, if it is there, let's find out. Remove this, remove this. Okay. And then click this as well. This side also, the yellow line will go, only inside yellow line I want. And here also, click this, the extra additional yellow line will go out, that is projected 3D elements will go. No, it's not there. So fix here. So till here it's done. So what we can do is exit from the workbench. Now go to split option, click on split. Okay, element to cut, select this, select surface, it should be fill 1, and element to cutting elements is these things. Okay, these things. Give review, do okay. Keep only sub elements using near. Keep only sub element using an extract. Keep element is there, do okay. Cancel. So you can see this. So this thing is created, you can see. Okay, this is there. So this much we have created. This is one rib. So similarly, this I spar is there, no? I spar I section. Here also we need to create that. Okay, which is second one. This also will create. So again same procedure. Select the surface, go to sketch, create I spar. So I think the distance is, I told you this must be 103.8. So for that I will just cross verify whether it is 103.8 is there or not from here to here. Sorry, this is 109.8 is there. Okay, and what is the given one? This 112 is there. So 109.8 is very near to it, to 112.2. So these dimensions will be given in your exam. This will be changed accordingly. You are supposed to do that. So now assume that this is not 112.02. It is 109.08. I will take 109.08, and the same thing I will give you in exam also. Okay. Height, this height will be 109.8. in exam also I will give you the same thing if it is coming. So now with this height I will create the I spar like in the same method. Okay, so for that what I will do, first I will create one axis between this and this, and also I will create one more horizontal axis. So the sparse symmetry will be there. So roughly you sketch one I section spar simply like this, then later we can give the dimension. Okay, so now go to the constraint, these two things symmetry to each other. Similarly, these two things must be symmetric to each other, and these two must be symmetric to each other, so that automatically you will get the dimensions later on. And select these two lines symmetric, make them symmetric to each other. This is symmetric to each other with vertical axis, and these two. Only height will change now. The remaining dimensions like 3 and 25, this is 25 will remain same. This one, this is there, this will be 25. Control that. First I will give this dimension, let us say it must be 3, 60 is there, it should be 3. Okay, and this also must be 3, and this also must be 3. Okay, so now this is what is there, make it as 25. Okay, and now this must be 25. Now height is, as I said, from this to this must be 109.8. Exactly, it will coincide with the particular what you say, the particular points. 109.8, 109.8. Okay, fine. So now what we have done is fine, but now we need to coincide this vertical axis, the whole thing, with this particular point. This and this must be coincide, and this line must coincide with again this point. Now you can see spar is done, but again anyhow it's going above. Let it be like this, let it be like this, no problem, but it should not go. We can reduce, if just I will reduce it to little bit 1 or 2 mm, so that exactly it will come here. Actually they made a mistake in a PDF file what they have given, and whatever the dimensions I am changing here, the same dimension with change dimension only will come for your exam. Okay, don't worry about that. 106, we will try 106.8. Okay, so we try this which is suitable for this. Okay, fine, then this 105.8 is fine. What I will do, I will in exam also I will give the same thing if it is coming. Okay, I will recommend this only 105.8. okay, so don't worry about that, the proper dimensions will be given. For understanding purpose we just learn this. Okay, so now remove this axis which we don't want. Now again use the same method, go to this project 3D elements, select this. Okay, you can see the yellow line. Now go to option, remove unwanted lines except which are there inside the spar. Okay, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this, remove this outside, and this side also I think it is gone. No, it is not there. Come below, come below, let us see. zoom, remove this extra one, remove this, okay, it's done. I think you can just see wherever the yellow line is there, that we have removed. Okay, so now same thing, exit from the workbench. You need to modify the absolute axis definition to solve this. Okay, it be I think Control Z. Where is my sketch? Sketch 2 gone. Again we will try. We are supposed to create once again. I don't know what happened. Why? Okay, we'll try to do it once again. Let us see. It should not go. I don't know why it has gone. Okay, so same manner we can create one axis here. It should coincide with this. Just follow the steps what I'm doing here. Let me try to do that as well once again. Same procedure I'm following. Now I'll go to the dimensions, make this and this symmetry, but methods are same. We're supposed to follow the same methods. Dimensions may vary in exam also. This is 3, 22. The height between this and this we have chosen, that is 105.8. Let us take 104 or 105. We will take 105 only. Let us see if it is becoming too much, then we can reduce that. This and this one should coincide with each other. It is done. So now select these lines, axis what we have created, delete them, and delete this axis as well, and then go to 3D object, 3D project, 3D elements, click here, select the trim option like this, remove this side as well, remove this. Okay, impossible to trim the length element. Do you want to convert the length into distance? Yes. Okay, so now come here, remove this as well, just zoom it, remove these 2 extra points. Okay, so now let us see. I think it may come now. So from the workbench, you need to modify the absolute axis definition to solve this. Invalid or empty input to the contextual edit. What is the absolute axis? You need to see that. Okay, so now what we have done is we have created in the same sketch only you do it, so that it will happen. Okay, so now this also is created now using the same dimension, that is all those things. So now come back, now we go to exit from workbench. Okay, so like this it will be appear. So what you can do is go to split option, element to cut, you just select the fill, and then cutting elements are our sketches like this. Okay, then give OK. It will say curve sketch 1 does not fully lie on the surface, let it be, give OK, just give OK, then you can cancel this. So now you can see here the rib is generated, okay, along with spars and holes in it. So now what you can do, save this file, save as rib1. Okay, give save. So now this is done. So now what I need to do is I need to create the same spars. So for that, go to start and then mechanical design, then wireframe and surface design. Part 3 is spar 1. Same procedure, select these 3 lines, sorry, these 3 planes, hide them, insert new axis system. Okay, so now select this profile, go to sketch and draw the profile of your spar what you have done the same previously, like this. Same dimension you are supposed to give, the spar dimensions what you have given before. Okay, so now first I will make it as symmetry so that it will be easy for me to give the dimensions. Just make them symmetry to each other. Okay, here now let it be like this. So now I will give the dimension. This distance is 3, spar 1, this is dimension is 3, and this is 25, so before that this must be 3, this is 3. Okay, this is 25, and this is also 3, so this is also 25. Okay, and this is 3, right? So distance between this and this for spar 1, this is, as I said, 166.86. So now this point and this line must coincide with each other so that we will get a proper base. So this is what spar 1 is ready. From now exit workbench, go to extrude in the reverse direction. What is the dimension of the spar? Length, spar length you can see, dimension of the spar length, I will reduce this to 125. The length is, spar length is, you can see that that is 3575. Okay, the length of the wing, same as length of the wing, 3575. So give the dimension as 3575. Okay, like this it will come. Give OK and save this file, save as spar 1. Okay, done. So now we need to create spar 2. Go to mechanical design, wireframe and surface design, click here. Okay, hide them, and insert new axis system, give OK, select YZ plane, sketch, again same spar with a different dimension. Only height will change, rest of the things will remain same. Okay, so now go to constraint, make these two things symmetry to each other, and this must be symmetric to each other. Okay, now give the dimension. This is 3 and this is 3, this is 3, this is 25. Okay, obviously this also will be 25. So height between this and this must be 105.8 as I have given as a new dimension. 8. Select this. So it's 105.8. Okay, then this point must coincide with this bottom line, 5.8. So go to constraint, select this origin point and this bottom line must coincide. So now exit from the workbench, extrude, give the reverse direction. So dimension is 3575. Okay, so now this is also done. Spar 2 is done. Save this file, save as spar 2. Okay, so all these things we have done now. Spar and spar 2, rib 1, wing skin. Okay, so now what you can do is, here I have done them. So rib 1 just copy and paste it. Okay, give name as just a second, here only you can change, rename it as rib 2. 2 ribs are enough. Okay, or else give rib 2 and again copy this, paste it here, rename it as rib 3. Why it's opening? Just rename it as rib 3. So now we have created rib 1, rib 2, rib 3, spar 1, spar 2, wing skin. Now we need to assemble. So go to CATIA, click here, mechanical design, assembly design. Okay, so now import existing components, that is existing component here. You click this, small window will open. From there we can import them. I think it's taking time. I will restart. Go to CATIA. Okay, so come here, close this, go to start, mechanical design, assembly design, existing components, click on this. What's happening? Why it's not opening? Just see, it will open. Let me start once again. Maybe some problem is there. This software is delaying. It must open. If it's not opening, I will restart. Okay, we'll try again. Just refresh the computer. then CATIA, give OK. Already product is there, so directly I will try to open this. Yes, now it has come. So now go to the file where you have saved all the files, CATIA files. So I have saved in this wing assembly. Where is wing assembly? Just I want to find out. CATIA assembly is not this. This wing assembly is there. I will select all these 6 parts, click open, click on this open, then everything will come here in the window. Then we can explode them and assemble them. So it may take some time, just wait for that. Okay, it will ask for renaming. That time you can just go for automatic rename, click on everything, click as automatic rename, then give OK. So now it will be like this. We can see here everything is here. So click on explode, give OK, give yes. Okay, 2 spars are there and the ribs are hidden one inside the other. We need to take them out. Go to smart move. Here smart move is there in this option. Okay, hold this, bring it out, hold this, bring it out. So 3 ribs are here, give OK. So now I want to assemble them properly. So for that what I can do is, first I will put 1 rib here, another rib at the end, and 1 rib I will put in the middle at certain distance. Okay, so for that what I want to do is, just I will go to this option, that is coincidence constraint, click this and click the center origin point of the any one rib. Okay, and select the wing origin point of the axis. Then after selecting that, update here, click on update. Okay, now you can see this automatically it is sitting properly. So now I want to fix this at the middle of the wing. So for that what I will do, first I will take the help of this smart move. I will just try to bring this here somewhere. Okay, so that easy for me to do this. So now go to select this YZ plane, okay, and come here, that is called as offset constraint. Click this and select another YZ plane. It will ask how much of distance you want to move inside. Okay, so for that what I will do, I want exactly at the middle. Here this is 3575 is there, no? So just I will type this as 3575 by 2. Let me see how it will be there. Okay, see, so now it is just going there, but it's not there exactly 3.75. So now what I will do, I will delete this. Again I will go for offset, click this and click this. So now let it be minus only, don't change now. Initially it was not there, it was there in minus, so I made it a plus. So now again type this as 3575 by 2. How much it is? 3575 divided by 2, it will be 1787.5. so 1787.5 I will give you. It is there already, that's fine. Okay, so it is there. So now what you can do is zoom this, Now what you can do, go to coincidence constraint, select this point, upper surface last point, and come here. I think it's not taking. We'll try to have this context constraint. Let us see. Select this, then go to coincidence or context constraint. First I will take the help of coincidence and I will try. And this point, okay, it's taking. Update. See, first what you need to do, you need to consider any one point. When I will just show it again, Control Z. Okay, first you select the upper surface like this. The line will be there, no, the curve we have created. This line, you select this, then coincidence, zoom this, and select the upper surface last point of the rip like this, then update. Okay, now you can see exactly it is sitting. Okay, so this is done. Now we need to fix this also. Go to Smart Move, just try to bring this somewhere like this. Okay, so now the exact distance between this offset constraint and this is minus 4569.765 is there. So make it as minus 3575. You just try to change the plus or minus according to the dimension. Just update. So it's coming in this manner. Okay, so now same method what I have followed in the previously. Zoom this, zoom it. So select this point, sorry, this line, then go to coincidence and select this point, then update. You can see now it is fit properly. So you can see this. Okay, so now wing is ready. So now I want to assemble the remaining spars, spar 1 and spar 2. This is spar 1. Okay, just give the front view. Smart Move, I will use Smart Move option. I will try to bring this spar. Let me hold this and bring here. Okay, I will zoom this. I want to fix in the first part. Here in this portion I want to fix it. So now what I will do, I will go to the same method, I will select this point, coincidence with, very simple, coincidence with this point, give OK. So it must be updating. So I think it went inside. We'll have the look. You can see here how perfectly it is sitting. Okay, you can see this till here it is there. So now similarly I will choose one more, that is this one. Select this point, this one, go to coincidence, select this point, update. So now it should come and sit here. Now you can see, so it is also there. Okay, so now the wing assembly is done. Let me see it properly, how it looks like. Just I will zoom this. I will try to hide all the axes. If it is possible, I will try to hide that. I don't know whether it's already hidden, but here I will try once again. You can see the if I remove the wing skin, then inside it is like this. Okay, let us see this. Can I hide this axis? No, it's still showing. No, whole thing will go, so let it be. So now wing skin I have made, and we have created, and also we have done the spars. I will just make a little transparency. Control Z, select this, go to properties, and increase the transparency a little bit, and select the given whatever the color you want. Just apply, give OK. So now you can see this wing assembly is done. So this completes your wing assembly. You try to create ribs, holes as well as rib spars in one sketch only. Don't switch to again and again to sketch as well as workbench, otherwise it may create some problem. You try this, definitely you will get the results. So here is the proper wing assembly. So here I will stop, and I will upload this to Google Classroom. You just watch it and try to learn it. Thank you.